As they say, the right tools for the job make easy work. We've made a short list of tools and materials that will help you get the job done smoothly. You have 3 standard options. A straight edge level 3 feet or longer is preferred. A plumb bob, which is basically a string and a weight, and the best option, a laser level. These can be found at any home improvement hardware store or borrow from a friend that likes to build stuff. You're going to need a way to press the material into your surface. Luckily, we provided a felt-tipped wallpaper hanging squeegee with every order. A sharp pair of scissors and a razor blade should do the trick. Be sure to install a new blade before you start. This way, your cuts are clean and smooth. A measuring tape will be your best friend. You should also keep a roll of masking tape and a sharp pencil nearby. If you're installing large pieces and you're not using a laser level, you might want to have a chalk line. This is a standard construction tool and very handy for snapping a straight guideline. Most of the time, a lint-free cloth is all you need to remove dust and debris. But if there's any dirt, grease, or other gunk, use a 50-50 blend of rubbing alcohol and water to knock it out. Most of the time, a simple set stool will do the trick. But if you're going high with your artwork, you're going to need a ladder. An A-frame is usually sufficient, but for higher applications, you might need a lean-to ladder. We suggest wrapping the 2 points at the top with hand towels and securing it with some duct tape. This will protect your walls and artwork from possible damage. If you have any questions or suggestions about alternative tools, brands, or techniques, let us know. We are always looking for new ways to improve our videos, ensuring a slam dunk install every time. To find more tips and tricks on installing, care, and removal of your art, continue through the 808 University Library. Be sure to subscribe for special deals and updates on new artists joining the community weekly.